House RZR. This house was designed by GRBX Arquitetos and is located in Indaiatuba, Brazil. This project holds a special meaning for the architects, as it was designed for a loyal client couple who have been with them since the beginning. The central concept behind this design was to create the dream country house, seamlessly integrating all the social spaces. The architects aimed to harmonize the interior and exterior areas, giving the house a sense of openness that makes it feel much larger than the land size permits. House RZR successfully creates the feeling of spaciousness and openness, while still maintaining a balance between aesthetics and functionality. The facade of the house features concrete latticework, providing privacy while allowing for ventilation. This element blends harmoniously with the striking blue entrance box, creating a visually appealing contrast. This design choice introduces a unique transition from the street to the interior spaces of the house. The difference in ceiling heights adds a dramatic effect, especially as the low ceiling in the foyer opens up to the exposed concrete ceiling in the living room. This not only creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere, but also enhances the modern, elegant character of the home. To enhance comfort, the house is equipped with large windows, sliding doors, and permeable materials such as kabogo, which allow for natural light, cross-ventilation, and a sense of openness, while still providing privacy for the residents. These design elements help maintain thermal comfort throughout the house. When the sliding doors are opened, the ground floor transforms into one large integrated space that includes the living room, gardens, pool, and kitchen, creating a continuous flow between the interior and exterior. The interior design features a neutral color palette, which not only enhances the sense of calmness but also allows the furniture, which was chosen collaboratively, to stand out while maintaining the overall aesthetic. The careful selection of materials and colors contributes to the modern yet comfortable feel of the house. To further blur the boundary between inside and outside, the architects used materials that seamlessly transition between the two spaces. For example, porcelain tiles were chosen for the pool area, extending into the deck that reaches into the living room. This design choice creates a visual illusion of a larger space, merging the indoor and outdoor areas into one harmonious whole. One of the most striking architectural features of House RZR is the V-shaped pillar that supports a span of approximately 12 meters. This pillar not only serves a crucial structural function but also acts as a sculptural element that adds character to the home. It creates a beautiful transition between the interior and exterior spaces, drawing attention to the cantilevers of the house's sidewalls. These cantilevers also act as frames, focusing the view toward the landscape and enhancing the specially designed landscaping that complements the architectural design. The vertical circulation of the house, including the stairs and panoramic elevator, is accompanied by a winter garden. Skylights in these areas bring in natural light, which plays with the changing position of the sun throughout the day, casting shadows that enhance the visual experience. This natural lighting creates a dynamic, ever-changing ambience in the home. House RZR also anticipates the need for a home office, with a workspace that offers a view of an internal tree, bringing nature into the work environment. This office space provides a peaceful, productive atmosphere for remote work. In the master suite, the bathtub is integrated with a view of the same tree, creating a tranquil space for relaxation. The home was also designed with sustainability in mind. The roof is equipped with solar panels for water heating and photovoltaic energy, ensuring high energy efficiency. Additionally, a rainwater collection system is installed to provide water for irrigation and other uses. The garage is designed with infrastructure for electric vehicle charging, ensuring that the house is not only modern in its design but also future-ready in terms of technology and sustainability. With a total area of 340 square meters, House RZR is more than just a residence. It is a masterpiece of architecture that showcases the balance between structural innovation, modern aesthetics, and environmental responsibility. GRBX Arquitetos have successfully created a home that goes beyond mere functionality, offering a space that inspires, soothes, and harmonizes with nature. Thank you for joining us on this house tour. We hope the House RZR project provides you with ideas and inspiration for your own home designs. See you in the next video.